Guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a new update in Shopify. Shopify has introduced a new feature, and we'll be discussing what this update is, what benefits it offers, and how you can use it in your store. So let's move ahead and first talk about what this update actually is. Whenever you create a section in Shopify, you have to write a schema to define its settings. This new update is related to that schema. A new property called visible_if has been added, which allows you to apply conditional logic to show or hide fields. I'll explain what that means in detail with a practical example because I've already created a section using it. Once you see it in action, you'll understand it much better. This new visible_if property brings several benefits. For example, you can show limited fields based on the user's input or selection. Suppose you've created a section that has many fields, but your client only needs to see a few of them. Using this property, you can hide the unnecessary fields and only show the ones they actually need. That makes the section cleaner and more relevant to the client. Another benefit is that it reduces confusion. If a section has too many settings, your client might get overwhelmed or confused, especially if they don't need all of them. With the help of visible_if, you can hide those extra settings and make the interface simpler for them. This helps them work more smoothly without distraction. Now let me show you how to use it. First, create a new section. In the theme editor, click on the three dots and select Edit Code. Once the code editor opens, go to the Sections folder and click Add New Section. You can name the section anything you like. In my case, I named it GRT feature. I've already created this section and added the new property in it. In this section, I first created a text field for the section title. Then I added a drop-down field called source_type with two options, collection and product. Based on what the user selects, we show or hide additional fields using visible_if. For example, if section, settings, source_type is equal to collection, then the collection selection field will appear, and the product field will be hidden. If product is selected, the product selection field will appear instead, and the collection field will be hidden. This is how the visible_if property works. Now let's test this inside the theme customizer. I'll add the section named GRT Feature Collection. Once added, I can see the title field and the source type drop-down. If I select Collection, then the collection field appears and the product field is hidden. If I select Product, then the product field appears and the collection one hides automatically. This way, depending on the user's choice, only the necessary settings are shown, making the section dynamic and smart. For example, if I select a collection like designer cases, I can see the products from that collection appearing below as a slider. If I switch to product and select individual products, those products appear instead. So the settings dynamically change based on the selected option. Using the visible_if property like this makes your sections more powerful and user-friendly. All the code used in this example is available in the description of this video through a link to our website. You can use that code to test this feature in your own store and see how it works. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.